Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Linden, Texas, the county seat of Cass County in northeastern Texas near the Louisiana border. Linden has about 1,900 residents and sits directly on US Route 59, a major north-south highway that runs from Houston through East Texas and on into Arkansas, making it a key route for travelers and freight alike. Highway 59 runs right through the heart of Linden, bringing traffic past local shops, schools, parks, and historic downtown buildings. This highway has been central to the town's growth, linking it to larger cities like Texarkana to the north and Houston to the south, while also providing a route for farmers, timber businesses, and small industries to move goods efficiently. Thank you for joining us on this drive along US Route 59 through Linden, Texas.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!